Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Transit Custom. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, including fresh engine oil and a new oil filter. Next, you'll need to locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter on your specific vehicle model. Finally, ensure you safely lift and properly support the van before starting any work underneath, prioritizing your safety above all else. With the vehicle safely elevated, position a suitable waste oil drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Carefully unscrew the drain plug, allowing the old engine oil to flow freely into the pan. Be cautious, as the oil may be warm. Let the oil drain thoroughly until only a slow drip remains, ensuring maximum removal of contaminants from your engine. Once the old oil has completely drained, proceed to remove the old oil filter. Be prepared for a small amount of residual oil to spill, so have a rag ready. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Then, screw on the new oil filter by hand until it's snug, and tighten it to the manufacturer's recommended torque specification for a secure fit. Reinstall the drain plug with a new washer if required, tightening it to the correct torque specification. Lower the vehicle safely, and then add the manufacturer-recommended amount of new engine oil through the filler cap. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off. After waiting a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and thoroughly inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.